The plan is simple. I'm making art for all 890 Pokemon. The order is mostly random, and I'm creating with various mediums. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I am making Litten. Litten was requested by Tabitha. Tabitha, thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to be making Litten for you. I hope that you like it. So I'm just starting with tracing out the head and the ears. I realized afterwards that I had forgotten the little fluff of hair on its head. There's like two little fluffs of hair. But I was still pretty happy with the end result, despite forgetting that. It's not too bad. This is one that I made a little too big. Like, it almost came off the page. That sometimes happens if I start with just one body part and I don't really think about how I'm drawing and cutting the whole body out, because then I'll make the next body part proportional to the other one, and then it's just too big for the paper. But I liked it anyway. You know, it doesn't have to stay in the center of the page. It can go right to the edge. It's fine. So now I'm tracing out the body, which also includes the legs, and it took me a couple tries to get all of these right. I always leave a little bit of extra paper for where I'm going to glue the two pieces together, so you can tell I made the neck too long. That's okay, because I'm going to put the head on it. I really liked making Litten, so I actually picked out papers for Skitty. I think I'll do Skitty probably before October. It just made me want to make some of the cat Pokemon, so... Both Litten and Skitty, though, have some kind of difficult colors to match. Like, I feel like the papers I chose don't quite match the game art. But it's close enough that I figured it was okay. So now I'm just getting the orange details for the face, so the whiskers, the area where his mouth and eyes are, and then the little cross shape on his forehead. When I was looking at reference pictures of Litten to decide like which one I wanted to look at, Litten looks so bold. Like, Litten looks just like, you don't want to mess with a Litten, you know, like, they're this cute little cat, but like, I don't know, maybe it's the bright yellow eyes that make it kind of scary. It reminds me a little bit, too, of those really old cat decorations that they used to sell for Halloween. I'm talking about stuff from maybe, like, the 70s or 80s. Maybe in post I'm gonna have to put a picture to show what I'm talking about. I know my family had some of these, like, old cat decorations. So to get the stripes for the legs, I traced around the black paper just to make sure that I got the right shapes. Maybe I'm just thinking of that Halloween decoration because I'm just really excited for Halloween. It might not look anything like Litten at all. I just really love Halloween. Litten's colors are kind of Halloween too. Kind of blackish, orangish. So next I am cutting out the eyes. I didn't have a good hole punch to do these. They're kind of circular, kind of oval, but I felt like the best way to get the right shape was just to trace it out. And next I am planning how I want the pupils of the eyes to be. I decided to go with gray, just so it shows up a little better than if I kept it black, like the rest of the body. And then inside, the eyes are not only blackish gray, but there's also a little bit of orange. So I had to cut out some very small pieces of orange as well. I think I might have switched hands there at some point. Like I've said, I used to be ambidextrous, so I don't know. I don't notice sometimes when I switch hands. So I'm just gluing all of the eye pieces together. So cute. I love it already. Oh. And then I added just a little bit of sparkle to the eyes. And next I'm gluing down the nose and putting the rest of the face together. I think this might be one of my favorite Pokemon I've made. It looks so nice! I've been thinking about changing the title of my show. I've been calling it Mediocre Pokemon Art. I don't feel mediocre anymore. I don't know. I feel like I've been getting pretty good at these. We'll see. I might change the name of the show after 50 episodes. It is something I'm thinking about. And since I've been talking about like Halloween stuff in this, if there are any ghost type Pokemon that you'd like to see in October, please let me know. Please give me the names of those Pokemon. I do have paper lined up for Gengar, so hopefully I'll be making a Gengar soon. I think there's over 40 oh my gosh, there's over 40 ghost type Pokemon, so I won't be able to do all of them for Halloween, but I'd like to do a pretty good number of them. Finally, I'm getting the background paper out, and for this I chose this really bright sunflower paper. And for the washi tape, I just had this white washi tape with little gold hearts on it that I thought would be nice, especially since I'm using such bold colors for the background and Litten. I thought it'd be nice to do something a little more delicate. And finally, I just have to glue everything together and also outline a few areas to make them easier to see. Tabitha, I hope you liked this. Thank you so much for watching. And like I said, everybody, like if you have any Pokemon requests, please let me know what you'd like to see in the coming weeks. Take care, and I will see you guys again soon.